also just what I want to add to this is consumer protection is not linking your mortgage to your banking app. I mean, that has actually come up a lot in many of these fraudulent cases, because you could be in a situation where he was in some sense fortunate that it was paid up. But in my case, for example, if I linked mine and I have an access bond and it's still active, they can go in and they can take the funds out of there. So it's very important, I think, as a consumer to necessarily link your mortgage onto your banking app, given the levels of fraud, or hide them. You've got the ability to hide your certain accounts on your banking app. And I just think I want to put that out as a warning, because I don't think people realize they won't always be so lucky.
The consequences. And interesting enough, we've had a number of those type of complaints as well, where the access to the bond was there. It was not a paid up bond, and the account is actually appearing on the app and funds were moved. And the sad part of that is the customer is then left being obligated to repay the sum, because there's no grounds to make a finding that the bank settled that loss.